So, yung low version ng ating Mamma Mia by Ripley Alexander version. So, the key of C, yung mababa lang, lagyan natin ng capo sa ating second fret ng ating gitara. Yung key of C, intro natin C, tapos verse, diretso na. So, parang ganyan. Sa aming pattern natin ay napaka-easy lang, guys, no? Ganyan. Yan, parang ganun lang siya, no? So, napaka-easy at madaling sundan. May lyric at chords akong ilalagay dyan. Pwede nyong sabayan. Yon, low version ng ating Mamma Mia. So, intro verse. I've been cheated by you since I don't know it. So, I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now. Well, I ever learned, I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Ayun, stop muna, baka makaka-right. So, ayun. Sa pre-chorus ay yung chords ng pre-chorus ay E, C at G. Mabilis ang paglilipat, parang ganyan. So, one strum down lahat. E, one strum down. C, one strum down. G, one strum down. Yan. Yan, parang ganyan lang siya. Parang ganyan lang siya. Just one look and I can hear the bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Ayun. Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Just how much I miss ya. Yun, sa napaka-easy lang sa ating pre-chorus. Yung pinutol-putol ko lang, guys, no, baka makapiright. Chorus pa rin ito, dugtong. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go. Ayun, chorus tapos outro. Outro tayo. Parang sa chorus din. Outro. Mamma Mia, now I really know, my mind, I could never let you go. So, yun lang. Napaka-easy ng chords at yung strum, napaka-easy, madaling sabayan at sundan. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking video ngayon, ay paki-like naman dyan at subscribe. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.